If you're seeing Gmail error code number 001, don't worry, this is usually a browser issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We're going to test Gmail in incognito mode, disable extensions, clear your cache and cookies, and make sure your browser is fully updated. These simple checks solve the problem for a lot of people, and best of all, you can do them in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, we want to test Gmail in incognito or private mode. This is one of the easiest ways to find out whether the issue is being caused by your browser settings, saved data, or extensions. Open your browser, click the three-dot menu, and choose New Incognito window if you're using Chrome, or Private window if you're using Firefox or Edge. Once the private window opens, go to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. Now check if Gmail loads correctly and if the error code still appears. If Gmail works in incognito, that usually means the problem is coming from something stored in your normal browser session, like cache, cookies, or an extension. Next, disable your browser extensions. Extensions are helpful, but sometimes they interfere with Gmail and trigger loading problems or error messages. Open your browser menu again, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Start turning them off one by one, especially extensions like ad blockers, email trackers, privacy tools, or script blockers. After you disable each extension, go back to Gmail and refresh the page to see if the error is gone. If Gmail starts working after turning off a specific extension, you found the cause. You can keep that extension disabled or remove it completely if it keeps breaking Gmail. Now, let's clear your cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store a lot of temporary data, and that data can become corrupted or outdated, which often causes website errors. In your browser, click the three-dot menu, then choose Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. You can leave passwords and other saved items unchecked if you don't want to remove them. Then click Clear. Once that process is finished, close the browser completely, reopen it, and go back to Gmail. Sign in again if needed and see whether the error code is still showing. In many cases, this step alone fixes the issue. If Gmail still isn't working properly, the next thing to do is update your browser. An outdated browser can cause compatibility problems with Gmail, especially if Google has rolled out changes that your browser version does not fully support. Open your browser menu, go to Help, and then choose About Google Chrome, About Microsoft Edge, or About Firefox depending on what you use. Your browser will automatically check for updates and install any available version. Once the update is complete, restart the browser and try Gmail again. This step is important because even a small browser update can fix hidden bugs and improve compatibility. If you've gone through all 4 steps and Gmail is still showing error code number 001, try combining the fixes. For example, use incognito mode first, then clear cache and cookies, then disable extensions, and finally update the browser. Also make sure you are using a stable internet connection and that Gmail is not experiencing a temporary service issue. In most cases though, one of these browser fixes will solve the problem. To quickly recap, the best ways to fix Gmail error code 001 are test in incognito or private mode, disable extensions one by one, clear your cache and cookies, and update your browser. These are the exact steps I recommend starting with whenever Gmail is acting up. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.